Many people have a hard time believing that it is possible to make $10,000 per month after only 90 days. They have tried a few different approaches in internet marketing and have not made a single dollar. So how are they going to make $10,000 in 3 short months? If you are one of these people, then consider this. There have been people that have followed the method described in this training that have made more than $10,000 by the end of 90 days. There are others that have made $10,000 a month faster than 90 days. It's certainly possible. What is the difference between these people and the majority? They took consistent action and followed the plan precisely. And most people fail with internet marketing because they do not take consistent action. They try something for a couple of days and then give up. They then complain that the method doesn't work. This is not a miracle, make $10,000 a month by clicking a couple of buttons on your computer method. Those kinds of claims are just hype, and you should avoid them at all costs. This is a solid and dependable method that has been working for many years and will continue to work in the future. Some people may tell you that the method is dead, but it isn't. Sure, there is more competition than there used to be, but it is still possible. You need to be prepared to invest your time, your effort, and some money to make this work. We are not talking about large amounts of money here. Where there are free ways to get results with this model, we have included them. But please bear in mind that free methods often take longer. The most important thing is taking action every day. In the first video of this training, we will show you how to shape your mindset so that you are motivated to take daily action. Don't skip over this video. It is the most important thing in the whole training. There are great opportunities to make money online if you use the right methods. Everything is laid out for you in this training, and all you have to do is follow the instructions. Do not miss out on this opportunity. You can change your life for the better starting right now.